Sanbona, my name is Mqitwa, the visual artist from Ebet Center. So today it was an amazing day where we get to meet YIBA Entertainment. So looking at that, YIBA Entertainment, it has a lot of artists that really the band could actually be able to use. And also now YIBA Entertainment can be able to gain some knowledge and even more mentorship through that. So when it comes to dance, when it comes to theater, all platforms of art. So yeah, now it was really a very amazing day. Another thing that I wanted to mention is that we're looking, I think 26th of April 2024, we are launching the 30 Years of Freedom commemoration. So this actually, it was more about that. How can young people be able to venture into this concept and be able to explore or to express themselves through all art mediums? So now from here, you just hear maybe artists reflecting on their thoughts on the concept of 30 years of freedom in our country. Thank you.
Sanibonani guys, igama lami ngu-Awande Sibongo Ngwakampele. Namhlanje ngila eBet Center ngine YIBA Entertainment. Empeleni mina ame model. Yeah, so namhlanje njengoba nje besihlangene nje sisonke kuningi engikufundile ngoba bekhona abantu abenza drama, abantu abaculayo, abadansayo, kuningi nje besikwenza. So yeah, ngifunda okuningi bafethu. Yeah.
I'm here to read his last will and testament. He's all trying to figure ukshile 1 million emotiyo. He's a muaya bonga when ukshile 500,000 na emotiyo. He's a andile ukshile 500,000 emotiyo. Ngicine ayani. Wena ke ukshile umuzi kanye nama ngiyabonga.
Umuzi webuthi yabona emhlanje ngiyiqala ngidlale kwale futhi ongchazela kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi umuntu wangaphandle athole amabhizinisi athole umuzi singasula amakina u500 lo sikhona ukuthakatha khona yabona ngalo ubongo lomntana lo uthele nesofumana ibhizinisi sikadani wenza kanjani cha kodwa mina yazi ngibona kanjani la lo nalo sisilobo uthanda kuphuma la khona into nawaphusha hey manthula wena sithetha uteni thetha sithetha yasibazame siyakhuluma futhi yabo lo khona phezu kwayo webhuti angazi noma uyibonile kodwa lo ufuna yonke into ngoba yazi lo mntana uyalibala ukuba akanugazi katata utata wakuthola le wena pha endleleni ezohlala nathi apha endlini thina siligazi katata kodwa into esifumana ziningi wena ufumana yonke bandele
ayifokozi mani engathi kwamna ndivakazi apha endlini yho nomtata ndilinde phaa ndifuna uthetha nento zasendlini ayifokozi nini asali ngikhukhule kwenzeka ntoni apha madoda ngiyayibala into yokuba besingekho kaloku siphangela kwathina utata ejonga mna mntana ndizothetha inonsense ngoku uthetha inonsense makothini mani sokofini ngapha ngoko
ngoba lento ngiyayibona ukuthi nonke aninangile ngicela ukubuza kade ngiyibuza kwenzeka kanjani umuntu oqoshwe ngaphandle athathe yonke into ngaba kunomusa ukuthi kunamabhizinisi yazi wena ingathi uyibona lo mntwana uyasikhatha abantwana mani uyasebenza
ayabona dala khona macace ndithi kuni njengoba ndithetha le nto nithethayo enixeshelelanga tata bejonga ngubani bejonga ngubani
yazi lokhu uphinda phindana le ngoma eyodwa bethi inganekwane
ndiyijona ndithetha
uqobe njani kodwa lo mntana athathe ibhizinesi katata after yonke lesizwe
Dinto bese uthetha ku yama wena khona nje into endiyivayo ndilalela zawufuna yena
Jangan wena uhlala wesifazane yasini futhi engathi ngiyibona yonke manje le nto siyaqala yahlala ubhuti uthola imali miliyoni thina sokulana uthena ibhizinesi katata thina sifuna imali 500,000 nemoto eyi-1 kuyimoto engaka eyikhona kwezababa sithola 1 hayi banokula hayi banokufombo azulakwethu akulana ubona elaqoqisha kapha asimlandela what if lana beyifunda phana yiyo exactly what if zezethu izinto ezininzi phaya what if usebenzisana nyana nobhuti ngalomntana banocinga ufuna ubhuti uthole 1 million lo mntana uthole yonke into ke ngoku imoto eshiyekileyo ibhizinesi zikatata thina masiye phaa kuye sijonge uba yintoni ebhalwe phaa sizibonele ngokwethu yebapho thathe sibovu nje stage phezu kwemali asazi million you never know masanga fundise phaa singabe sichitha mina ngazi sinjani asambe sekhona nje manje singabe sisaxoxa lapho
Sanibonani, igama lami u-Ayanda wakamaphumulo Isibongo aka Yanda Maps. Ngiqhamuka kwi-YIBA Modeling Agency njengamanje ngise-Bed Center. Namhlanje ngifunde okukhulu ukudansa, uku-acta, ukucula, kuningi nje yabo. Kodwa-ke ngibonga ithuba lokuthola yonke le information engiyitholile la namhlanje. Let's check YIBA.
Iningathi kona ukuzimbe ngelamandla vele keep him on ngeke lesinda asa wase kwenza nje iningathi kona ukuzimbe ngelamandla vele keep him on ngeke lesinda wase kwenza nje Vele kupima, vele zinda Kize nabatana koda hayi kwa makrop Tuna kwa mapamsho, kizi samata Bana kipima, akipima Bana kipima Usi kwanza ja, iningati kwenda usisibege lama Vele kupima, vele zinda Kize nabatana koda hayi kwa makrop Tuna kwa mapamsho, kizi samata Bana kipima, akipima Asa, ade hadebo Kati ngamano Skachi sawelo Stige ngamacho Di malike Vele sikuko Stige sabamo Hadi hadebo Hadebo zeke Di malike Hadi hadebo Hadebo Hadi hadebo Hadebo Hadi hadebo Kati ngamano Skachi sawelo
Sanborani Kamala Mguluthando Dlamini Sibongo ngicabanga ngaphansi kwe-YIBA Entertainment namhlanje sise-Bed Center endaweni lapho yokuzibungaza khona mone khona njengoba sila namhlanje kuningi ngikufundile about uku-actor about umodela safunda nokudansa as well njengoba silana we are trying to prepare for i-event ezomhla 26 April ezobe ikhuluma celebrate like 30 years of freedom. So njengoba sama-born free bafethu siyazi ukuthi nenkululeko sikhululekile sikwazi ukuthi senze noma yini.
Sanibonani, igama lami nguSenzo Ongcwele Dladla, falling under YIBA Entertainment industry. Sila eBed Center where we saw a beautiful performance, drama performance. We saw people dancing. It was very fun. And next time I do wish ukuthi singahamba nani size to this great amazing place. Ngiyabonga.
Sanibonani guys, igama lami ngu-Ayanda Ngcobo, but elinye igama lami ngihamba ngalo mangidance on stage kuthiwa uYoni 10. So namhlanje ngihamba ne-YIBA agency. Sifikile lana, which is eBed Center, si-prepare for i-event ezobe ikhona next month 26 April. So sifike nabantu abadansayo.